All right, gang, here we go. We're about to test out the prototype trolling mechanism for my stand-up paddleboard. Weather's kind of spotty. It's been raining on and off all day. Looks like there's a front coming in, but we're gonna wait till there's a break in the weather and paddle all the way out there to them reefs. Let me show you my setup. Right here we got the 10-6 stand-up paddleboard equipped, ready to go. Homemade troll mount with all the fixings, strapped down with the bungee. Make sure we're all stable here. Yeah, all good, nice and strong. All right, there's the pole. I'm gonna catch fish with this little lure right there. Woohoo! What's up, buddy? Can you catch me some fish? Come around. My paddle is strapped on by the leash, so if I catch something big, just toss the paddle and gonna work the fish and get it in and have some dinner. All right, wish me luck, and if I don't come back in about 12 hours, send out the search party. Howdy. All right, we launch. All right, you ready? We go. Super glassy. It's good. But as we get further out, the wind will probably start picking up, so we'll deal with it when we get there. Okay, we're halfway out. We're about to get to the breakers. Woo. Let's see if we can get up and over these. It's getting a little bumpier out here. We'll see how we go. Up and over. Woo! Now we got the option. I take my paddle. The bungees hold it down. I can paddle to get through the rough stuff. I can paddle like this. I can get up on my knees, paddle like this, like on a paddleboard. You know what I'm saying? Some good stuff. We're almost out to where we gotta be. Thrill seekers, man. Okay, it's raining buckets. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully you can see the rod tip up there. I'm down here. Visibility's low. We're gonna make a lap or two and see what happens. I got something. Yep. Hopefully this is a way of fish. Could be a fish, could be a weed, we'll see. Nope, it's a fish. Come on, baby. Please be a fish. I don't know. Could be a driftwood. Maybe, I don't know. It is. Oh, getting a little bit of resistance. Yeah! There we go. What do we got? You. Come on, baby. You. Oh yeah. What do we got? Woo! Hey, not bad. Take it. What do you say? What do you say, huh? There you go. Fish number one. About 15 minutes. Another hookup. Another hookup. This is a good one. And I'm in a pretty dangerous zone with some waves here. And it's raining like crazy. What we got right now? Woo! I'm gonna pull it in and then get out of here. Ooh, that's a good one. Woo! Yeah, baby. Come on, stay outside of the waves. Yeah. We gotta get out of here. Alright, now we're outside. Woo! I hate these blows. Oh, keep the light tight. Keep the line tight. Oh, you fuck off. Big ass trumpet fish. Come here. Ah! These guys fight, bro. These guys fight. Get out. He's fighting. That was a good one. Me, fishies, the waves, a lot of rain. This is what it's all about. Woo! This is crazy. I have no idea where I am because I can't see the shoreline. So I'm just riding along the breakers, staying close enough to shore so I know I'm not too far out. As soon as I see a break in the weather here, I'll have a better understanding of my bearings, but who knows, because this is, it's like it ain't gonna stop. I ain't scared. It's me and the fishes, and the waves, and the turtle. Oh, another fish on a pa'a. Woo! Yeah! Hooking up today. Woo! Going in. Hooking up. Fish biting the ring. What do we got today? Feel a little more safe right here. Hey, little guy feels so. Could be a little feel. Maybe another baby stick fish. I don't know. Well, there's no fish until. Whoa! Woo! There she blows. There she blows. We got another one. Yeah, boy. On a pa'a, number 3. Number 3. Call me Rain Man. Fishing on Tuesday. This is nuts. I can't see anything. Alright. It's getting kind of nuts out here, so I don't think the rain's gonna stop. So I'm gonna do my best to find my way back in based on my knowledge of this surf spot. It's hard to see anything. Don't send the search party yet. I think I've got my bearings. I'm just waiting for the rain to stop so I can make my way into the reef channel, because it's shallow over there and it's shallow over there, and I gotta kind of find the middle. But I can't see the middle. It is jumping. Never done this before. Oh, wait. Let's use the wave. Whoa! Dude, this is dope. I gotta be careful though. Oh, on a pa'a. Oh, that's number 4. Woo, this is a big one. Woo! Yeah. Okay, so that fish went down in the rocks and he got lodged in there, and I tried to paddle over to him, and then I got caught inside where the waves were, so when I adjusted, he spit the hook out. So shit, that was a big one. Caught me off guard because of all that rain, but it's okay. It's clean and glassy now. The rain stopped. Now I can see what the hell I'm doing. We're gonna go for one more. Oh shit, that's so fucking killer. Look how beautiful it is out here now. Crazy. Storm passed, glass off. Super shiny. Oh, I think I got one. On a pa'a. Let's go. Yep. Another hookup. Let's go, boy. Yeah. Woo! Here we go. And right where the waves are. Of course. Doesn't feel huge, but let's see. I think it's a baby stickfish, maybe. Maybe. Oh, little guy. Oh, what is this? I gotta let you go. Okay, I'm gonna fight at the last second. All right, a little bit of. There you go. Oh, there's the fight. It's like a stickfish, trumpet fish. Yep. Gotta know how they fight, yo. Come here. You guys are feisty out here. Give me a second. Yeah. Well, then don't bite my bait, bro. Oh, we got you good. All right. I'm getting a little bit tired, so we're gonna get out while the getting's good and the weather's clearing up. Whoa, here comes a big wave. Oh, if you're on a kayak, I'd be getting screwed. Oh, yeah. Well, I only kept one pan-fried fish so that I could have a taco. And we might catch this one. Ready? Let's go. Whee! Let the waves do the work. And that's all she wrote, folks. Fished for about an hour and a half. Caught a rain squall. A couple big hookups. Couldn't land the big ones. The fish hid in the reef. Caught me off guard. Smart, those frickas. And as soon as I got up above them, they spit the hook out. Sharp ass hook too. All right, well, that was the first run on the stand-up paddleboard fishing. Fish Master 2000 or whatever I called it. We'll do it again sometime. Fun one.